If the lady's not here. Okay, no problem. Okay, got it.
How do I go to the home screen again?
We can't. Here's the home. This button in the middle.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
Wow. Use this one.
God.
Just go back.
Gotcha.
Also, the setup here, home or back. Yeah, it's a finger.
Okay.
Yeah, you have to set up yourself.
Gotcha.
And also, you can set up the display here. Whatever you like, you can just. Set it here. You can set up display you like.
Wow.
Like this. You don't need a cover anymore. Switch off. Sleep.
Gosh, that's impressive.
Yes. And also you can set up the word you like. You can just tap whatever you need. C, I, whatever you want. Leave some message today. Yeah, you can choose the color and whatever you want. Super cool.
So 2 cameras.
Yeah, 2 cameras. We'll make a selfie. Because Chinese like the full screen.
Right.
So we cut the camera there.
Okay.
We just use the back camera. It's 200. It's 24 megapixel.
Okay.
It's good. And you can selfie here. You can see the quality.
That's
it's
good.
Back lens.
Yeah.
It's really good. Yeah.
So what kind of screen is this? Like an OLED or is it like?
It's OLED. 这后边是 OLED 的，前面是 OLED.
Okay.
And we have a many taste from 1.5 drop. We have no problem. Yeah.
Wow.
But don't throw like that.
Yeah, of course. How much do they go for?
In China, we already launched this one. It's around $600 US.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
The basic one.
Okay.
It's more higher. No, it's not releasing here.
Oh, you have a 512.
Sure.
Yeah. Ours on the
But that one is the top one.
You have to